All right, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall full screen. First thing you'll do is lower the top sash and you'll push this screen frame up. Once you have it pushed all the way up, open the bottom, and if you slide it to the left, one side is spring loaded, which I'll show you once I have the screen removed. And you can push one side out. Once you have the bottom out, go back to the top, and then you can remove the screen. Here's a spring load I'm talking about on the sides. Alrighty, to reinstall the screen, what you'll want to do is you want to lift this bottom sash up roughly 6 inches. You never want to have it completely down and try to tilt it in. You need to make sure you have distance. You can tilt this bottom sash in and lay it right down. Now on the top sash, you want to leave a couple inches between the bottom sash and the top sash, and you will tilt it in. Now they're out of the way. You can take your screen, and you'll want to start with the top first with the spring-loaded side. You can lean the screen out. What you'll do is this spring load goes right into this screen track right here. What you'll do is you'll slide it over, and you'll get that right side in. Once you have it right there, you can take the screen and push it up. Once you have it pushed up, it should kind of hold in place. If you wanted to, you can kind of keep your hand on there, and then what you'll do is you'll close the top sash. Now you can get to the bottom. Same concept. The bottom has a spring load. You get the spring loaded side in, grab the lifter on the screen, and you can pull the right side in, and then push the screen down. And then you can close your window. Alrighty, when removing full screens, you'll want to remove them from the inside, as there's lift rails that gives you something to hold on to. To install the full screen from the outside, the sides are spring loaded. What you'll want to do, slide one side in, the spring loaded side, slide it over. You always start with the top, push the left side in. Once you're there, you can push the screen up. Once you have the screen pushed up, you go to the bottom, push the spring loaded side in, and snap the other side right in, just like so.